Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to talk about something that affects those in the northern climates. You can see here I have my pool filter out. We've already winterized the pool. Pool filter's out, all disconnected, but I do leave it out throughout the winter time. And in past years, what I've done with a different pool filter at another house was basically cover it with a plastic bag. I'm reading a little bit online about that might not be the best idea in the world because it basically chokes everything off when you cinch it off at the bottom. So either I read about it or thought about it. I said, why don't I try something else? And we're going to try the old garbage can. So what this will do, I've already got the pump multi-port valve, or sorry, the filter multi-port valve in the winter position. And we're just going to put the can on top. And that'll take care of that. So that allows air to get in underneath, but keeps it protected on the top so snow's not sitting on the filter all year. And that'll really, hopefully, protect the life at least to the plastic. If nothing else, it's not getting beaten by the UV rays to break down the plastic over the years. But I know the pumps and the filters and such are meant to be outside, but maybe this will prolong it a little bit longer. But anyway, if you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like videos like this to see lots of great content here, and click the bell to be notified when we bring out a new video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.